In this video, we will discuss memory hierarchy. In competitive exams, question ask about memory hierarchy and question is very theoretical. In this video, I will discuss all points in which you get knowledge of different memories which you use in computer systems and difference among various memory devices. I made this pyramid due to the size, okay, because the major difference is size and second is the access time. So on the top of the register is written here. Why I say this hierarchy? Because in computer system we are not only using hard disk, okay, or not only registers. We have all the elements of memory. Due to the cost, this will balance the cost and access time also. So start with the size. First one is the register. You can see which is of only of byte. In normal level registers are 8 bit, 16 bit. Here not discussing about the servers. So registers are directly attached with the CPU. The size is bytes. You can see various registers and flip-flop like SR, JK, D flip-flop are there for storing values. Okay, so register is size is only bytes. So next one is the cache memory. So cache memory having only KB or MB. We can say the example of one of the cache memory is static RAM. That is the SRAM. SRAM is there for the cache memory work. Next is the main memory, that is the RAM. So RAM you can see in the size is in GB. You can see 4 GB RAM, 8 GB and 16 GB RAM. So basically DRAM, dynamic RAMs are used as a RAM. So they are volatile, okay. These are the volatile devices. When volatile means when the power is off, the data is lost. So RAM behaves just like that. So that they are made up of DRAMs. And next is the USB and the flash memory. Okay, so your pen drives, or we can say nowadays SSDs are there, which is enough maximum size of TB, terabytes. So SSD you can see nowadays SSDs are more popular. The access time is less as compared to normal hard disk. So we are using SSD nowadays. The maximum size which we can see that in the terabytes. Okay, so in the Mac operating system, Mac systems, we are see only the SSD solid state disk there. Next one is the magnetic disk and hard disk. So that is again in the TB. The access time is more than as compared to USB, flash memory, or we can say SSD, normal SATA disk. The access time is more as compared to SSD. And there is magnetic tapes and the tape drives in which we can access data up to petabyte and exabytes. So petabyte equals to 1024 TBs, okay, petabytes. So that means you could store about 341 millions 3 minutes MP3 songs in that, okay. Petabytes is so much. So if you require more, even large data storage, there is exabyte, which is 1000 times larger than the petabytes. Okay, so magnetic tapes are providing the huge capacity, storage capacity. So you can see here the cost is the storage size is increasing. Register cost is more, okay. So if you take the register cost, it costs more, but the magnetic disk is of low cost, okay. This is because the access time of magnetic disk takes approximate to very much times, okay, approximate 100 millisecond average, okay. So average 100 millisecond, whereas the register access time is less, okay. So they are in Z. So initially these register and cache memories are the first levels. So they are the we can say first two levels that is the internal, because they are directly attached to the CPU. Second is the primary, we can see here RAM, that is the volatile, You can see 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB primary memory, that is the RAM. So we are not loading our operating system. We can say our Windows 10 or Mac operating system on Linux on the RAM. So we are loading it on the secondary system, either in the SSDs or USB flash drive or in the hard disk. Okay. So tertiary, last one is the tertiary memory. These are used for the storage. Okay. So these are we are having so much space, but we can see that as we go down from the pyramid side, so we can see from byte to petabyte the size increases. You can see here. Okay, but at the same time our access time is also increases. So we can say register are much more costly because the access time is less. So we can see SSDs are expensive than normal hard disk, solid state disk, because the access time is less. So we can see register can the access time normally or approximate average access time of registers is 1 nanosecond, whereas cache memory, which is also internal memory, 10 nanosecond, and main memory 100 nanoseconds, and USB flash drive in the microseconds are available. Okay, so this we have to understand. And magnetic this 10 millisecond, and magnetic tapes and tape drives 100 milliseconds. So access time is increasing. Okay, you can see access time is increasing. So here you can see size is increasing, here you can see the access time is increasing. That's why this register and cache memory access time is less and they are expensive. So solid state disk is expensive than hard disk because the access time is fast. Okay, so we can see here again that the frequency of maximum use of resistor is much more than the magnetic tapes, or we can say tape drives. So maximum frequency usage of the resistors, they are on the internal memory, and the less frequency of use is minimum in the tertiary memory, or we can say magnetic tapes drive, because it use some time, it works as a backup. Okay, whereas the register that we have to fetch the address of where we have to fetch the data, instruction sets and everything are done in the register and the cache memories. So this is all about the memory hierarchy in the computer architecture. Thank you.